Grayscale hints at future Solana ETF, but current regulations stand in the way. Shalini Nagarajan, last updated August 1st, 2024 at 11:50 GMT3, 1-minute read. Grayscale Investments research head Zach Pandl hinted that the asset manager might launch a Solana ETF in future. However, he noted that it is currently not feasible due to existing regulations. In a CNBC interview published Thursday, Pandl stated that Grayscale will adapt its products as the U.S. regulatory framework changes. He also mentioned that crypto has become a significant topic in the 2024 U.S. presidential elections. He expects that the next Congress will see bipartisan efforts to establish regulations for the crypto industry. And Grayscale will, of course, work cooperatively with regulators to shape our products, Pandl added. VanEck spot Solana ETF approval post-November U.S. elections. The recent success of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs highlights the progress of digital asset exchange traded funds in the U.S. industry. Experts now predict that an altcoin ETF may be approved next. However, this approval could still be years away. Earlier this month, Matthew Siegel, VanEck's digital asset research head, mentioned that the approval of the firm's spot Solana ETF depends on having a new SEC chairman after the U.S. elections. Siegel pointed out that the absence of a regulated futures market for Solana might be a hurdle for the ETF's approval. However, he believes VanEck can still get the ETF approved without such a market in place. Analyst predicts long wait for U.S. altcoin ETFs. Bloomberg Research ETF analyst James Seifert told Crypto News that it will be a long time before another digital asset gets an ETF in the U.S. He believes Solana Sol makes the most sense as the next possible ETF. However, he noted that the SEC is actively labeling Sol as a security. Seifert explained that while the SEC has been changing its stance, it could be years before an altcoin ETF is approved. Even if an issuer filed for an ETF tomorrow, a decision from the SEC wouldn't come until March 2025. Seifert added that an altcoin ETF has almost no shot of approval in the next year due to the requirements needed for consideration. He said, "You need two things for an ETF. First, clarity on whether an asset is a commodity or security. Second, a regulated market that can be surveilled." Follow us on Google News.